What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So today will be a quick 3-week update on the Labocosmetica SAM ceramic coating that we applied on the Hyundai Tucson. Now, just quick note, just for everybody so we're clear. So it got coated 3 weeks ago. It was supposed to come for a free wash between 7 and 14 days. Unfortunately, the owner did get sick, so he didn't come, and pretty much this is the 3rd week, but he did have to wash the vehicle. He had to do some errands, and he had to park under a train station, and the pigeons just had a field day. So the next day after that, he went and took it to a car wash, a hand wash, told him to use pure shampoo. So he said they use a pure shampoo, no protection on it. Did a hand wash, pressure wash it off, and he used a quick detailer with 0 protection on it. Some turtle wax quick detailer, so there are some streaks here and there while he dried off the rest of the vehicle. And that was it, because he told the hand wash people he was gonna dry it, just have him do the blunt of the work because he is an older gentleman. But that's about it. Overall, it still looks super glossy. And now we will see how well it's holding up the ceramic coating. And yeah, so all the products will be down below in the description. We're just gonna use Semper from Labocosmetica, their soap. And that's it. Let's see how the hydrophobics are. The gloss looks insane, but we'll do that walk around right now. All right, everyone, so what I'm gonna do off screen are the wheels and tires. I'll just use a rinseless wash just to clean that up, but let's see the initial hydrophobics of the coating and see if there's crazy beading. So overall, not a lot of beading from what I see, but let's clean this area up. So there was a lot of noise in the background, but as you saw, it was sheeting and areas were beading, but it wasn't where I really wanted it to be. And this is possibly because he took it to the hand wash place, and whatever car shampoo they used to hand wash the vehicle, and then when they rinse it off, he wanted to dry the vehicle, and the quick detailer he used. And when you saw during the walk around or the before walk around, you saw that there was some streaking around the entire vehicle, and that's possibly from the quick detailer that he used, and this is possibly what is masking the ceramic coating. But as we move on to the contact wash, I use Owner's Pride Eco Wash as a snow foam per se to add lubrication and emulsify the dirt and grime. The vehicle wasn't dirty. And then we use, of course, Labocosmetica Semper just to wash the vehicle. And if you saw the paint or the soap is being rejected from the coating, so now I know that the coating is there, and now it's really time to rinse off and see if we removed whatever was on the paint that is masking the ceramic coating. So stay tuned for that. Once the contact wash is done, we go ahead and remove the soap, and some of the soap is not as sudsy as it was initially, but all in all, it's time to rinse off the soap. And as we start rinsing the soap, as you see, the panel is still flat, even the hood starts sheeting, but the more we rinse off that soap, the more the beads come back. So it goes to show that something was masking that ceramic coating. It could have been the quick detailer that the owner used, or even the car shampoo that the hand wash place used, and it just left a slight film on it. But the more we kept rinsing off that Semper, as you see, more beads, more rapid sheeting, everything. And even as we move on to the passenger door, you see the first initial rinsing off the soap, it is flat, and then the more we rinse, the tight beads start coming back. And the same thing for the back door and the rear fender. I'll let you guys watch that, but all in all, it is beading beautifully and no complaints here. The ceramic coating is for sure intact, and it was just masked with whatever quick detailer was used. So what are my overall thoughts of this Labocosmetica SAM ceramic coating? It's doing super well. Just look at it. Look, nice tight water beads. If I would have applied the HPC or HCC, I forgot what's the name of the second top coat. If I would have applied that, it would have been much more hydrophobic. But all in all, it just looks very well. It's beading nicely. And one thing to note is once I applied Semper, I'm not sure if you noticed, it took a while for it to rinse off, but once I rinse off that initial film or whatever you want to call it, it's just beading nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply ceramic gloss as a drying aid and call it a day. So very nice coating for sure. All right, everyone, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and the quick update on the SAM ceramic coating from Labocosmetica. And this is technically a second wash. Who knows what the car wash place did to the vehicle, what kind of soap, what kind of shampoo, what kind of quick detail. Nobody knows, but this is literally its second wash. And my first update on it, it is still beading like crazy. And all we used was Semper, their pH neutral soap. One thing to note is once we did the contact wash, we had to keep rinsing off. Who knows whether that was the film from the previous soap or the quick detailer they used to dry the vehicle, or the owner used to dry off the vehicle. Who knows what it was, but we just had to keep rinsing, and then eventually all those tight beads really came back. And then for the tires, we used Nero. Now, in terms of slickness, it's not the slickest coating because technically if you want that extra slickness, you want to apply their HPC coating on top of it for that super slick and crazy hydrophobics. But even then, the hydrophobics is just spectacular with this. But all in all, it is amazing. It's glossy, it's glassy, and it's beading. It's beading after its second wash. Unlike other coatings that with the first wash, it's already sheeting. This is just beading nicely. And also, if you guys want 10% off, or not 10% off, so I'm sorry, 15% off any Labocosmetica products, use code DMS15 at checkout. I don't get any commission off that. That's just savings for you guys. So go ahead and enjoy those products. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Happy holidays and happy new year. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace. So here are the results, and one very important thing to note, that this ceramic coating does have a jetting effect from what I can personally see, and hopefully you guys can catch it on camera. It has a jetting effect in terms of it looks like a deeper rich color than what it originally is, and the super glassy look as you see here on from the corners and from the angles, it just looks super glassy. And yeah, so that's about it. This coating typically is supposed to last 2 to 3 years tops, so I'll probably see it lasting 2 years here in New York. But all in all, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and this walk around, and we'll stay updated on this vehicle when it comes back for its maintenance wash.